I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here at Bauma on the John Deere site with Mark. Mark, we're talking about my big American road trip and we're going to be talking about dozers with SmartGrade, and also Troy's joined me here from Leica Geosystems because it is a collaboration between the two of you, isn't it? Tell me about SmartGrade and how Leica and yourself have worked together.
Yeah, so SmartGrade is our factory or field installed integrated 3D grade control system, and this year we're happy to announce that we've partnered with Leica and we now have that solution out available in the market.
So what we're sat on right now, what is this dozer and what class is it?
So this is a 650p dozer. This is our largest utility class dozer amongst the three that we offer, and the SmartGrade with Leica solution is available on all three.
So when we're talking about SmartGrade, Troy, you've worked, the engineering team at Leica has worked with the engineering team at John Deere to make this a factory fit. Yep. That helps with warranties, it helps with lots of different things. How has that worked and why is it important that you've supported the John Deere team?
It's the importance of it is that the engineering teams, when they're working on it towards the go-to-market, we're able to work through a lot of the kind of the obstacles that come up in the aftermarket world. So, for example, we're integrated into the John Deere G5 display, so there's no need for additional hardware there, additional interface. Yep. We're able to read off of their factory installed cables and sensors, and so it just streamlines that operation, makes it much easier for the user.
And Mark, that's also easier for the user when it comes to anything like warranties, isn't it? Because you're factory fitting it, so therefore you're supporting it with the John Deere warranty, which is important to your buyers, isn't it?
Yep, we're streamlining the process for our customers, right? So we make it a lot easier. The integration with Leica is supported by our world-class dealers. We have a dedicated DTAC team for our Dealer Technical Assistance Center that can support these machines in the market. We have a dedicated field sales and support team called Precision Construction Specialists that are OEM owned and supported to help our dealers and customers as well.
Right, so there is a whole infrastructure behind this dozer being super smart, folks. So I'm hopefully going to see more John Deere when I get to the States, and I want to see the smart stuff. Mark, can we see the smart stuff?
We can see the smart stuff.
Fantastic, great to see you here today. Thanks, Troy.
Thank you.